Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on Microsoft PowerPoint's Dictation feature. I am Krenz, a Technology Integrationist with SWWC. You may be familiar with the dictation feature that users of Word or Google Docs have to helping them craft written work. However, inside of Microsoft's PowerPoint, users have a similar feature to help them add text to their slides. When you have your PowerPoint file open and you have a slide selected, make sure you have first inserted a text box into your selected slide. Once you have the text box inserted, on the Home tab you'll find the Dictation feature option. Click on this and you will notice the icon will be switched to a record mode and your speakers will beep, indicating your microphone is active and listening. Then begin speaking your words. Your words should then show up in your selected text box. Once done, click the icon in the header to stop the dictation from occurring. Note: make sure your device has an embedded or connected microphone and that it is active before using this feature. Additionally, you will want to say the punctuation for it to show up in your text box. For instance, period or exclamation point, for those items to show at the end of your spoken dictated sentences. How may this be useful for users? For those users who struggle to physically type, this feature is an option to allow them to get content into their slides. It also allows users to freely brainstorm thoughts onto their slides and allows them to go back and edit and change them after the dictation occurs. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.